Good morning. I'm Dr. Bamonte, and I'm outside today to chat with you a little bit about cats and their allergies.
Dr. Bamonte, what are the common signs and symptoms of allergies in cats?
So, most of the time, allergies are a skin or ear change. So, they're usually very itchy. They can have scabs or skin rashes. Sometimes they can also have GI issues or itchy, runny eyes. But today, we'll mostly talk about the skin and ear changes.
What are the most common allergens that affect cats?
So cats are typically allergic to three major things. One would be an environmental allergy, and that includes things like dust, trees, weeds, flowers, pollen, anything like that. The other major allergies are food allergies and to fleas as well.
What are the tests that are available to diagnose cat allergies?
So for food allergies, we can do an elimination diet trial. That's where we feed the cat strictly for about 2 to 3 months, either a diet that we send home with you, a prescription diet, or a homemade diet that we help you formulate. For environmental allergies, we can send you to see a dermatologist where they will perform intradermal allergy testing, just like they do with us. That's where they'll shave their side and do the wheel and flare test to determine what they're allergic to. We also have a blood test here at Central Providence that will help determine the same thing. So flea allergies, generally we determine by treating for fleas and assessing response.
How are cat allergies treated?
Well, it depends on the symptoms. So if they are itchy and have skin infections, typically we will treat those symptoms with anti-itch medications, topical medications, antibiotics, and ultimately, of course, try to get to the cause of the symptoms and figure out the allergy.
Are there any over-the-counter remedies for cat allergies?
We can always try over-the-counter antihistamines like Benadryls or things like that, but generally, this type of allergy in cats and dogs don't respond well to antihistamines. So unfortunately, there's not a lot over-the-counter that works well.
Can allergies in cats be cured, or are they a lifelong issue?
So they unfortunately are a lifelong issue. We always say you manage allergies, you don't cure them, because even when you know the source and you try to avoid it and treat it, they can still have flare-ups. So it's always a managed lifelong condition.
Can cat allergies lead to other health issues if left untreated?
Generally, my biggest concern with untreated allergies in cats is stress. Cats do not handle stress very well, and stress can lead to other health issues. So yes, indirectly, by not treating them, we have a stressed kitty that may have other issues.
How can I reduce allergens in my home to help protect my allergic cat?
So keeping the kitty treated for fleas is a good one. Making sure, of course, to keep dust levels down, air purifiers, things like that. The same things we would do to keep it allergen free for us.
Can I prevent my cat from developing allergies?
No, unfortunately, it's somewhat written in their DNA if it's going to happen. You can try to stick with one type of food so that if we ever do need to do an allergy elimination diet trial, there's things that they haven't tried, but there's not really a way to prevent allergies other than keeping them on flea prevention if they have a flea allergy.
Can I prevent my cat from developing allergies?
No, unfortunately, it's somewhat written in their DNA if it's going to happen. You can try to stick with one type of food so that if we ever do need to do an allergy elimination diet trial, there's things that they haven't tried, but there's not really a way to prevent allergies other than keeping them on flea prevention if they have a flea allergy.
And last question, what should I do if my cat has a severe allergic reaction?
Anytime you're worried about a severe allergic reaction, I would just take them to see us right away. If it's in the evening or a weekend, take them to an ER urgent bed. And if ever in question that it's severe, of course, just bring them to see a veterinarian as soon as possible. Any questions, of course, about any allergies in cats or dogs, please feel free to reach out to us at Central Providence, and we would be happy